Alright, hi everyone, Dhanush here. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today's our workout is chest workout, which was shot back in February 2020 before the pandemic. So the first variation I'm performing here is a machine press. I always choose a machine while starting my chest workout to warm up my shoulder joints and pec muscles. So I'll be performing around 4 sets to 12 to 15 reps just to warm up my muscles and blood flow in go. So the second main variation here is a incline head press. If you're not familiar with this variation, you gotta grab a pair of dumbbell and join them close and keep hitting on an incline bench. This is a very good variation to activate your upper portion of your chest muscles. It really squeezes those upper portion pec muscles and really give a beautiful pump. If you haven't tried this variation yet, give it a try and let me know how it feels. So we'll be doing around 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps of this variation. So the third variation here is a decline dumbbell press. We done hitting the medial portion with a machine press and the upper portion of a dumbbell head press. So here we are functioning the decline portion of the muscle with a decline dumbbell press. So the first set I took around 30 kg and hitting around 12 to 15 reps. Make sure you grab a dumbbell according to your strength and perform 12 to 15 reps on your first and second set, and then you can increase the weight accordingly to your strength. As a replacement, you can even perform the decline press on a barbell instead of dumbbell if you wish to. And again, dumbbell or barbell, it's up to your preference, but I prefer dumbbell as it gives me extra range of motion. So in the final set, I have taken around 35 kilos and hitting around 10 to 12 reps. That's my highest weight back then, a year ago I guess. It doesn't matter how much weight you pick up, guys, just make sure your form is right. Bring the dumbbell all the way down and taking it all the way up, squeezing your pecs. That's the perfect form to hit your lower portion of your chest. Do this for around 3 to 4 sets for the maximum pump. When you are going heavy on weights, make sure you have some spotter or someone who can support you just in case if you feel the weight heavy and you are unable to perform those reps. So we are done hitting the decline dumbbell press. We'll be going for a cable crossover, which is a high to low cable fly. It really helps in stretching those pecs and activating the overall and most of the decline portion of your chest muscles. If your gym doesn't have a cable crossover, you can even perform it with a dumbbell just in case if your gym is busy with people using the cables. But I prefer here using a cable crossover as we are just done hitting the decline dumbbell press. This variation with a cable helps in activating and stretching those pec muscles with proper stretch and contraction. Perform around 3 sets of 12 reps. So in the fifth variation here, we are using a pec deck. I hope every gym has this machine. Use this as a fly movement to stretch those chest muscles and give a great contraction, bringing those hands together. We are performing 10 reps of 10 sets to feel that complete burn in your chest muscle, which really helps in building those muscles. So as a finisher, I am using the around the world variation. I guess this is a quite new variation for you guys. Even in my lot of chest workout videos, I haven't ever used this, but this is one of my rarely used variation to create a fullness and roundness to your chest muscle. Grab a lighter weight dumbbell and perform 2 to 3 sets of 12 reps. Make sure you perform with proper form as I am showing in the video. If you have any shoulder issue or existing shoulder injuries, it's better to avoid this variation. It's not that much of a great variation, but I still love to do it once in a while just to make my muscles a new variation added in my routine. So this is it for today guys. I hope you like this workout. Please give this workout a try and let me know how you feel in the comment section below. Thank you guys, signing off for today.